Welcome to Fasheezi, a tile-based strategy game. In this video, we will learn how to successfully set up the board, navigate through the various fight options, and understand the win conditions. If you have just joined us, your profile likely does not have a valid roster saved. Head over to Formations to get it set up. A valid formation consists of a citadel, who's the aged warrior wielding a sword and glittering at the moment, and 7 other units stationed behind their respective soldier wall. To learn more about what each character brings to the table, check out the unit spotlights in the tutorial section. To place a unit onto the board, simply drag it to any desired slot behind the soldiers. Fast clicking or tapping on a hero in reserves would automatically deploy them to an available slot. If you are unsure or feeling adventurous, you can utilize the random feature to stochastically fill up the rest of the empty spaces. The blue side needs deploying as well. You can create a different lineup, or choose the mirror option to mimic the layout of the gray side. To send a unit back, you can drag them into reserves or fast click or tap on them. Dragging a unit onto another occupied space would make the two swap positions. Your formation will not save until there's a citadel along with 7 other units on both sides. If you have set up the layout correctly, the prompt at the bottom will let you know, and the revert button will change to save formation. Now that you have the roster stored to your profile, the fight button is unlocked. Head over to test the strength of your team. Fight CPU lets you battle against the computer. It has 3 levels of difficulties. See if you can outsmart the machine. Fight Local lets you practice against yourself or an opponent on the same device. Fight Lobby lets you skirmish against another person on a different device. And lastly, Fight Rank connects you with the closely skilled opponent to duke it out for ELO. Let's head over to Fight Local to go over some more concepts. Fight Local and Fight CPU use the formation saved on your profile. This is called blind mode. Click or tap down on a unit to see its valid moves. For instance, the dame can hop in an L shape. Drag to the gray square to move her. To review the board from a different angle, use the rotate button. To memorize the screen orientation preference of each player, tap the bottom right button underneath the board. There are 3 ways to end the game. The first one is to take the opponent's citadel. For the purposes of this demonstration, the soldier is not taking the dame. As you can see, killing the blue citadel ensured Gray's victory. Let's try out the Fight CPU next to go over the second condition that ends the game. A player is allotted a set time per turn to make a move. The game ends in a loss for the side that could not make one before the seconds tick to 0. An impasse is reached when no unit dies on either side over a set number of turns. The result is a draw, win or loss based on the weighted number of units left standing as the game ends. Thank you for learning the basics of Fasheezi. Head over to other tutorial videos to learn more.